Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Crispy baked fish sticks. Ingredients: 1 cup crushed corn flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning, 1/2 and 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, beaten, 500 grams cod fillets, hake or any firm white fish, skinned, boned and sliced into thick long fingers. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 200 degrees and cover baking sheet with parchment paper and spray liberally with non-stick cooking spray. 2. In a shallow bowl, whisk together corn flakes, paprika, lemon pepper, salt and cayenne until combined, then place flour and egg in 2 separate shallow bowls. 3. To assemble, dip fish in flour to coat both sides, then dip into eggs and finally into cornflake mixture, then place on baking sheet. 4. Once done coating all fish, liberally spray tops of fish with additional cooking spray. Bake 12-14 minutes or until fish just begins to flake easily with a fork. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this receipt. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.